All right, you guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay. Oh, I'm a little bit nervous, but I'm so excited. This is my first time using the pizza peel and our new stoneware. So I have my toppings ready, and I have my sauce ready. I did a white sauce, just like really healthy, heavy cream. But I do have enrichables in there, which is great. Makes me feel a little bit better. And here is my stone, you guys. I have had this preheating for almost 15 minutes. I put my timer on, but I cannot wait any longer. You want to make sure that the lip is on the back side, because when we grab our peel, this is dusted with corn flour. Or, sorry, is that right? Corn flour? The corn stuff. You guys know what I'm talking about. So, all you need to do, whoo, there it goes, oh my gosh, slide it in. That's got to be nice and piping hot on the bottom now. That's so awesome. And then, obviously I'm going to shut this and I'm going to let it do a little baking before I put my toppings on. So awesome.